A workshop and an idea. That is where it all began. Founded out of passion, with a clear vision and courage to construct the perfect propeller. We greatly value high-tech and tradition. We are mechanical engineers with heart and soul. In our hands lies the sense for materials, attention to detail, and all of our experience. Striving not only for quality, but also for perfection, allows visions to become reality and create products that are far ahead of their time. Our passion opens up horizons and sets a course for the future. We make dreams come true, and sailors' hearts beat faster. SPW, ahead with passion.